He just runs his practice much differently than a traditional kind of family doctor, where I think a lot of times when you go into their office, you feel like a number, you're there for 10 minutes maybe. Hey, hi, bye, got your vitals, take this. With Dr. Cashio, it's more of, let's take a step back, like, who are you, what are your goals, let's take an assessment, let's do the blood work, and let's kind of not just rush you out of here, let's have a long-term relationship, let's make you as healthy as possible. It's really taking the time to learn more about your history, your goals, obviously doing whatever it's necessary to kind of assess where you are health-wise. I'm more aware now. There were some things I found out about my health when, working with Dr. Cashio that I more than likely would have never found out had I just kind of kept going to the doctor once a year. And so I just feel like I'm dialed in. My health is the most important thing to me because the longer I can live, the longer I can spend time with my family. I feel like I have the knowledge and the tools to be able to dial in my health as optimally as possible.